Successful, yung timeout na tawag ninyo is hindi babalik, pero kung successful, babalik po yung timeout ninyo, okay? So may mga rules naman dito. 94 na, 80. Last 2 minutes, laman pa rin San Pablo. So medyo crucial na to guys, minutes. 94 San Pablo in black, 80 Candelaria in white. So meron tayo 1 minute and 50. For 1 minute and 40. May oras pa. $86, last 1 minute and 26. May oras pa guys. Pwede pa humabol dito ang Candelaria. Score 3. $86, 1 and 10. So alam na dito na magte-tres ang Candelaria na hulaan ng San Pablo. Last 1 minute. Final quarter. Patay, open pa. Yes! Nahuli ng isa si Idol. Last 50 seconds. Nako, pinabayaan pang bala. So titibay dito San Pablo. Ubusin ang oras, shot clock. $97, 89, 38 seconds remaining.
Hey, no reserve! Stop! No reserve!
Bye kay boss Joel Villapando. Nice game, nice play. Team Dugout San Pablo City. Congratulations. Yes, 32 seconds remaining. 97, 89. Well played pa rin para sa Team Candelaria dito. Kasi naitay nila kanina. Running out of time na. 25 seconds. Last 18, 98, 89. $189. Last 15 seconds. Congratulations, San Pablo. Final score 189. Well played pa rin, Candelaria.
Congratulations! Dugout of Salamat Candelaria, 189.
Bakal boy.